Hey guys, welcome to Wild Jack Speed Shop. So last week, as some of you know, I picked up this 1970 F100 short bed. Now the cool thing about this purchase was it actually came with all the parts to do a Crown Vic front end swap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some videos showing how to get rid of the old suspension and steering, clean up the frame rails, and how to correctly install the Crown Vic front end. So I will be posting these videos. Make sure you follow along, like and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's get going. So I have the front end off of the truck, and the frame is in really good shape, as you can see. Now, a lot of this is going to be going away. All of the suspension stuff, the cross member, the steering, but the frame rails themselves look pretty good. So I'm excited about that, and I'm going to take some preliminary measurements, and then I will start getting this out of here. Okay, so we got all the steering and suspension removed. As you can see, I took out the steering column first. Now I will be replacing the steering column in this vehicle because the original one was damaged. Then I took out the steering gear, and then I dropped everything else out altogether, as you can see earlier in the video. Now in the next video, I will be showing how to cut out these spring hats. I'll be cutting out the cross member, and with this I'll also show you how to take out these rivets, clean everything up in here, and then once we do that, we will mark out and install our Crown Vic front end. So thank you guys for watching, and tune in next time for the next video, and we'll keep going. Thanks.